In this video, Unit 1, SLT3, we're going to be copying segments and angles. We're going to start with some vocabulary. A construction is similar to a drawing, but uses step-by-step processes to create geometric figures. And some tools used to create constructions are a compass. That's a device that allows you to create a circle with a given radius, as well as copy distances, and a straight edge. So that's anything that allows you to create a straight line. A compass, a ruler, an index card, anything. Next we have a bisector, which is a line, ray, or segment that cuts something into two equal parts. And the midpoint is the point where a bisector intersects a segment, the middle point. Then lastly, when you have a perpendicular bisector, that's a line that is perpendicular to a segment, so it's 90 degrees, and it also divides it into two equal parts. Now you're going to watch a short video on constructing congruent line segments, so equal length line segments. Follow along and construct this with me. Okay, so steps for constructing congruent line segments. First, you're going to place your compass point, which is this, and pencil point on A and B. So compass point on A, pencil point on B, and then you're going to move the compass point down to C and make an arc through the ray, just like that. Then you're going to mark the point of intersection of the arc and ray and label it D. So you just copied this line segment down onto this ray. Okay, so try the next one. You should pause the video and construct GH. You should also stop here and on your own do these constructions. And now you're going to finish the rest of this page. Moving on to copying angles. We just copied segments, now we're going to copy angles. So follow along these steps and the video and start copying the angles on your paper. Now for copying angles, you're going to place the compass point. Let's see. Read the directions above. You're going to put the compass point on the vertex A. And you're going to make an arc that passes through both sides of the angle. Just like that. So we have a point here. We're going to label that B, and a point here, and we'll label that C. Then, not moving this arc, this pencil point, you're going to take your compass point and put it on X and draw that same arc. Copy the arc over here. So now we have this arc, and you're going to use the compass to measure the distance. You also have to label this Z. You're going to use the compass to measure the distance between B and C. So you're measuring it just like you copy a line segment. You'll put your compass point on B and your pencil point on C, and then bring that over here to Z and make an arc there. So now you have this point. We'll label that Y, and you're going to make a ray through X and Y. And there's our angle. We copied this angle to this one. That means they're the same size. They are congruent. Try number 2. Now it's your turn. Construct angle G congruent to angle E, so copy angle G onto that ray with angle E. Now finish the rest of your packet on your own, show your notes to me, and then get a practice worksheet.